Hi friends, my name is Rohan Vasudev. In the last session, we spoke about list. In this session, we are going to talk about sorted list. Sorted list will have all the elements in key and value pairs. The elements added to the list will be in ascending order of the key. Now, in this script, we have already declared a sorted list. For code 1, we are adding key and value pairs to the sorted list. In our case, it is core list using add method. So 3 is the key here and 100 is the value for the key 3. For code 2, we are printing the values from the sorted list using keys. So if we put 1 inside the brackets here, we will get the value for that particular key. So when we use debug.log function to print score list 1 inside the bracket, then the value 200 will be printed inside the console. Again, score list 3 inside the brackets will print 100 inside the Unity console here. For code 3, we are creating a key here 2 and assigning the value 150 to the key 2. For code 4, we are using a contains key method to check whether a particular key exists or not. And if the key exists, then we are going to print a value of that key in the Unity console. For code 5, we are printing all the key and values from the sorted list using a for each loop. For each loop basically will iterate for all the items, key and values inside the score list here, which is our sorted list. Here it is. Here is the output printing values from sorted list using keys. So we printed the values for the particular keys. Lastly, we printed all the key and values from the sorted list using a for each loop. So here is the output for that. Key is 1 and value is 200. Key is 2, value is 150. Key is 3 and value is 300. So that's it, guys. That's it for the session. I will see you in the next session. Thank you so much.